Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with an assembly video for one of our die sets. This is die number 1058, the Halloween Charms, and you can check out all of our designs at karenburniston.com. There are 5 dies in this set, and what's great is to just use scraps from your scrap bin and to cut them all at once. You can use any die cutting machine that can accommodate a wafer-thin die, and today I'm using a Sizzix Big Shot. The charms in this set are very straightforward. They're essentially just single piece construction with optional stencil features. On the moon die, if you want to, you can leave that paper in the die and sponge through it with maybe a little bit darker color. And then after you pop that out, you can kind of go around the edges. So that's just one way to use it if you want to use the stencil feature to give a little bit of a darker look to the interior of the moon. For Ghosty, I just cut it out of a white cardstock, and then leaving that paper in the die, I can go in with a black pen and put on the ghost smile. And then there's different ways, of course, to do the eyes, but I like to trace around the outside and then maybe just go ahead and fill it in, but leave a little bit of white showing like a catch light. The set comes with 4 charms and then the Happy Halloween greeting. And this one also has a stencil feature. It's optional, but if you go in with a black pen or sponge through the exterior with a little bit of ink, you'll get a neat highlight to that outside oval. And then of course it also looks cool to turn the bat that's in the piece black, and you could do that with another piece of paper if you just die cut it again out of black and snipped out the bat, or you can do that with a black pen. For the final 2 charms, the bat and the spider, I've die cut them both out of a black cardstock, and then my favorite for highlighting these would be a white gel pen. And I just go in on the spider and just add the eyes and the mouth using the stencil feature on the die. Same thing for the bat, I use a white gel pen, there's eyes, mouth, and then there's highlights on the wings. So like I say, 4 super cute little charms and the Happy Halloween greeting. And that Halloween greeting is actually sized to fit perfectly with our oval's crosshatch as well. So here's a card that Fran Sabat and I made together when I was visiting her up in Kentucky, and we used the flower pot pop-up and just filled it with spooky flowers and ghosts and spiders. The boo and the pumpkins came from our Halloween Elements set, and then I added the little glasses from the Tiny Accessories die set. Here's an Upsy Daisy pop-up card by Helen Cryer, and I like how she has mixed those 2 Halloween dies, so the new Halloween charms with the Halloween elements. The ghosties on this cute card by Karen Aiken just make me smile. I like how she gave them rosy cheeks and different expressions. Some of them even have their eyes closed. You will find a full video for this card on our YouTube channel. It features the house pivot panels as well as the Halloween charms. Speaking of houses, Lois Bach used our house and fence pop-up and styled it as a haunted house. She's made a graveyard, mixed all of our Halloween dies together. And then finally, this clever card by Karen Aiken where she's stacked up 2 pivot panels. She's made a graveyard. She's got the little ghosty, all of the Halloween elements working together. The Halloween Charms die set is available now. If you click on the website link, you'll go to karenburniston.com where you can find out information about purchasing these dies as well as links to all my other social media accounts. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out some of my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.